Hi, welcome to SPJK Technosoft, your one-stop platform for IT, pharma and domain-specific trainings. Hope you are safe and healthy. As pharma industry is booming now, so SPJK Technosoft is organizing free webinar on pharmacovigilance on the 13th of September 2020, Sunday at 4 p.m. The resource person for this webinar is Ms. Lakshmi, who is having more than 10 years of experience in pharma industry. Topics to be covered in this webinar are: what is pharmacovigilance, eligibility criteria for pharmacovigilance career, career opportunities of pharmacovigilance in pharma industry, training programs related to pharmacovigilance. This webinar will be useful for those who have some life science degree, mostly B Pharma, M Pharm or BAM or MBBS. There will no registration fees for this webinar. E-certificate will be provided to the registered participants, those who have submitted the feedback form after the webinar session. For registration of this webinar, please visit link below and the links provided in the description page of this video. Those who registered this webinar will get the Zoom meeting link to attend the webinar through email or WhatsApp or Telegram. Please don't forget to subscribe our SPJK Technosoft channel and press the bell icon to get latest trending technology videos for free. Should you need more information about the relevant courses, please contact us at info@spjktechnosoft.com. Please do like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you and goodbye.